A new option for the Architectural and Viewing Translator has been added to support SolidWorks drawing files. Go to your Import command, find a SolidWorks file to import, or select SolidWorks from the list. On your menu option, go to Import Settings. This will give you two options. One is if this is enabled, it'll import as a 3D file, basically taking the facet data from the model and importing it. Or if it's unchecked, it'll bring the SolidWorks drawing files into our 2D draft environment. So we'll go ahead and select our file, hit Open. This will import the data using the native translator for the architectural and viewing, and import that into our 2D mechanical draft environment. This gives you the ability to view the data as well as do annotations into the drawing if you explode the drawing to give some additional reference information that you can be used in your design process when creating 3D data in IronCAD or creating 2D data in our draft environment. This is new for IronCAD 2025.